I saw it coming from a mile away, and I had to just, the camera was on, perfect.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
This is Miajima. Such a beautiful place.
Hold on. Before we keep going, I have to tell you this. In the footage of this video, I lost a lot of it because I had no sound. So I'm just gonna tell you real quick what happened. I went to Miajima, which is really close to Hiroshima. It's a beautiful place, and I went there because I wanted to fly the drone.
I'm excited because there's one thing I think I can do here that I have not been able to do since I've been here in Japan. So this is like a little replica side map of where we are. Here they give you a little towel, so you clean your own table after you're done eating. This is like very steep bridge. It's crazy. How did you you see this thing right here? Right here? That's just standing there. It's just not like drilled in or whatever. It's just standing there. When the water comes up, this lines right here, like the black lines right here, that's how far the water comes up, and if it comes down, you can literally walk by it. And now, look at this. Somebody drew a cartoon on the sand. Anyways, let's try to climb this mountain. And hopefully I can fly the drone in there. Well, I should say on it, right? Not in it. Anyways, English, Spanish thing. Yes.
That's really cool. Are you gonna go up there?
No, by foot.
Okay, fine.
I like this. I haven't asked you to please subscribe, share this video, and let me know how can I make it better, because I do want to make this more entertaining. I wanted to do, you know what, an end shot of the drone flying this way while I walk down this line, kind of like as a end of video, as an end up scene. So because I don't have that, I'm gonna do this.